So the first thing is you need to have PEC aspects, which is picture exchange communication system. So you use picture to teach our children to speak, to communicate initially. So that is the one of the medium to teach our children to speak, to communicate. So the first one is prepared text, which consists of cvcvc, which is consonant, vowels, consonant, vowels, consonants. So like this one, this three. So I prepare bacon, I prepare donut, and also drink. So if we see from here, B is consonant, A is vowels, C is consonants, O is vowels, N is consonants. So it consists of 5. C, V, C, V, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing goes with donut, same thing goes with drink. So how to construct a simple sentence? So like this one, you need to have subject and also verb. So just prepare the simple ones, like I drink. So water. So from here you can see I is the subject, drink is the verb, and water. So in here, drinks is considered as C, V, C, V, C. And it goes the same thing with donut. So for donut, I eat donut. So from here is you eventually construct a simple sentence which consists of subject, verbs, and the donut, the C, V, C, V, C. So this is how you construct a simple sentence. So how to do this activity with your children? This one I'll explain in the next video. Hello, so now let's move to the part how to do the practice with your children. So for example, I'll use donut. So for this one I use donut. And so let's say I'm the father and you are and I have one children here. So use gesture as a prompt. I eat donut. I eat donut. I eat donut. Do this for the first few trials, and then slowly fade it the prompt. And then as it goes by, if your children can answer correctly, I want donut, you give a reward such as candy or such as praise, appraisal. Very good. That one is also a reward for the children. Alright, thank you. That's all.